Sir, ex-BJP MP has written a post and he said students termite in his post. What's your reaction on that?
It's very sad. I condemn that particular statement. This is the attitude of the Bharatiya Janata Party towards the students of this country. Students of the country are the future of this country. If they are protesting, it is because of what has happened in NEET exams, which the government is trying to brush under the carpet. The demand of the students is just. They are demanding justice. They are demanding accountability. And in response, the government is responding with a very heavy hand. Yesterday we have seen the students have been brutally assaulted. They have not been assaulted by the police. They have been assaulted by the Prime Minister. They have been assaulted by the Home Minister. They have been assaulted by this government which treats the students the way they are being accused by these ministers and leaders of BJP as termites and cockroaches. Congress party and our leader of opposition, Shri Rahul Gandhi, has taken the fight across India for the students. This fight will continue. We as the Congress party will stand by the students and fight for their future.